Sing along with me.
A is for apple, red, red, red. B is for ball, bounce on the bed.
C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, wow, wow, wow.
E is for elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. F is for fish, swim and jump.
G-H-I-J-K, learning letters every day.
G is for goat, ma, ma, ma.
H is for hat.
I is for ice cream, sweet and cold. J is for juice, yellow gold.
K is for kite, fly so high. L-M-N-O-P, wave goodbye. Q-R-S-T-U, so many letters just for you. V-W-X-Y-Z, now we know our ABCs. A-B-C-D-E-F-G, sing again with me. Thanks for watching! Like and subscribe, and join Tiny Stars. See you next time!